students, my today's topic is adaptation for protection. So now, firstly, I want to repeat the topic adaptation. What is adaptation? Some special features are developed in an organism to adjust with surrounding are called adaptations. Students, you know very well about all living things need food, water, air, and shelter to survive, grow, and remain healthy. So now, students, I will try to tell, tell about the adaptation for protection. Some special features are developed in animals to protect themselves from their enemies are called adaptation for protection. Okay. So now there are some examples, just like deer and kangaroo have strong legs which help them to run very fast. Deer and kangaroo have a great quality, speed and softness. Due to speed and softness, deer and kangaroo protect themselves from their enemies. Next is rabbit and rats make burrows in the soil to escape from owl, eagles, foxes, etc. Some animals make burrows into the soil and protect themselves from enemies. Like rats and rabbits, their enemies are eagles, foxes, and owls, etc. The next point is the whales and elephants and hippos protect from enemies by their big size. Some big animals protect themselves from their big size. Okay. Next is the color of polar bear is white as snow. So it is difficult to locate in snow. The polar bear has white color. Due to white color, their enemies do not locate them in polar regions easily because their color and color of snow is same. Next is chameleon or cricket can change its color to match its surroundings. The chameleon and cricket अपना जिस भी ट्री या प्लांट के ऊपर रहते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसके तरह का बिल्कुल लाइक है ट्री और प्लांट अपना कलर चेंज कर लेते हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम एनिमीज. Tigers and jaguars have stripes on their bodies which help them to merge with their surroundings. The tigers and jaguars are found in forests. They have stripes on their bodies to protect themselves from their enemies. जो उनकी स्ट्राइप्स होती हैं, जो धारियाँ होती हैं उनकी बॉडी पर, जेब्रा एंड टाइगर्स की बॉडी पर जो स्ट्राइप्स होती हैं, उनकी वजह से ड्यू टू स्ट्राइप्स लॉन्ग ग्रास, जो लॉन्ग ग्रासेस होती हैं या लॉन्ग प्लांट होते हैं उसमें वो हाइड हो जाते हैं, उसमें विद देयर सराउंडिंग्स. Porcupines have sharp and pointed quills which protect them from their enemies. जो porcupines होती हैं उनमें sharp and pointed quills होते हैं, कांटे होते हैं, वो अपने enemies से इस टाइप से अपने को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो. Now students, you have understood about the adaptation for protection. Thanks. Have a nice day.